To perform an EAA on a Signia device, go ahead and select the Signia Connex software from the top of NOAA. Once the application opens, go ahead and click on Detect Hearing Instrument. And at this point, turn your hearing aid off and on to be found. Here is my aid, so press OK. Once you reach fitting screen, go ahead to Fitting and Test Settings. And so you see here only one hearing aid is connected, so it only gives the option for the right. But if you connect both hearing aids, also give you the same options for the left. So to turn on full-on gain settings, you click here. And once that's on and loaded, you can perform your full-on gain test for the EAA. And once you've completed the full-on gain measures, click off of there. And now you will move the master gain. And depending on the hearing aid, the dB level is always different. So look on the Verifit to see when the green triangle is gone from the graph. And once that is gone, go ahead and perform the reference test gain of these at this level. And once completed, go ahead and press close and then exit out, and then make sure you say no, do not save. And like other manufacturers, look in the binder for comparison of manufacturer specifications or find them online.